¿Qué? ¿Qué? Sí. Hello, hello, hello. Somebody there? No. This is very, very sketchy. Hello, hello. Somebody there? Hello, hello. Hmm. Hello. Oh, let me see here. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, finally. Man,
Yeah,
this is hard.
it's weird.
Yeah, it's so annoying.
I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, I was trying to do like the event and then like you
Yeah,
cannot invite so many people into this event, so I was like, oh, really?
it just kept taking me to the event, or your actual broadcast. Yeah, can you hear me? You
Yeah,
can't hear me? Okay.
I can hear you fine, yeah.
Um,
So right now here it's raining really like we have like a thunderstorm, so if I disappear it's because there is like a
yeah.
electricity outage or something like that, so yeah, it's so annoying.
Oh, I can hear myself.
Yeah, same thing here.
Yeah. Weird.
Let me
Okay.
try to turn down the volume as much as I can. Do you
Um,
get any lag when I'm talking? Like
I can hear
delayed?
you. I did previously, but now it seems to be corrected.
Okay,
Uh,
man.
yeah, it's a
Okay, I will
little
say
weird.
like step two is try to figure out if we can work on cloud9
Okay.
at the same time.
Uh, yeah, let's
Have you
try.
done any of the homework?
I'm sorry?
Have you done any of the exercise that they have
No,
posted?
I haven't done any. Have you?
Yeah, I did all of them, but I wanted to do the pairing, so I could do, yeah, I could just redo all of them.
Okay.
And
Uh,
doing this, I wanted to figure out how to get this working on.
okay.
So can you see my desktop? Not, right?
Um, Let me
Let
see
me see.
here. I was
Screen
trying to
share, desktop.
No, I just see your
Right,
logo,
right
your icon. There, now I can see. Yes.
now. Okay. So I'll guess you have a Cloud9 space.
Yeah, I set it up
So I
earlier.
say like here we can share on Twitter, share on Facebook, invite by email, but not on Google Plus or anything like that. So
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Let me see here. Let me go see mine.
you. Oh, I have a. I will send this link. I don't know if you can copy and paste.
Yeah.
This. See if you can reach that.
Okay. Did you? Let's see here. Where's that at? Oh, in the chat here. Where's my chat? There it is. Okay. Yeah, it's nothing's loading up though.
Nothing? Alright, let me
It's
just
blank.
invite by email. Okay, and that was pool. See, you should just click here and you're all set. You don't have an account. Do you have an account on cloud9?
Yeah, I set one up earlier today.
Okay, I will send this bunch of stuff here. Goes here. Goes here. That's here. That's right. This.
No.
Just close this so it's not looking. So at some point you should be able to edit on my screen. So
Okay, let me see here. Let's try this.
no.
Redirecting.
Tools, quick. Go to view.
Yes. Okay, preparing your workspace.
Cool.
Okay.
Now I can see you here. Cool.
Okay.
So let me see if you can.
So let's see. Okay. Yeah, I can see the members there.
And if you write on that file, let me see if it's updated on my screen as well. So we are on the same thing.
Let's see here. Which file?
Oh,
Any
the HW0 part 1 dot
Okay.
.b. There we go.
Okay. It's not. It won't let me even edit it.
Oh, let me see if you need some permission. Yeah, grant reader. Duh. I have to grant you access. So
Okay.
now it's done.
Gotcha.
Let's try to edit there.
Yeah, it works. It works.
It's here. So can you write on the thing? And I'm not seeing anything.
Oh no, it's text. It's typing for me here. Let me enter it. I just typed in test and then def sum 2. Hello, my name is. Seeing nothing still?
No.
That's weird. Yeah, it's okay. I see that there on your.
Yeah. I grant you
on the
access.
terminal. Okay.
Yeah, I just want to make you to write on my file so we can just type and both can see whatever we are doing together.
Right. Underscore in.
Man, this is very challenging to get
Yes,
all
it
this
is.
stuff
It is.
working.
It just keeps saying bash def command not found. So I don't.
Let's see. Let me try to close the file. Open again. And you have that group icon there, and can you see me as I can see you?
Yeah, I can see everything. I can see your courseware folder.
And
With
I have the RW thing, like read and write.
Where's that at? Settings, maybe. Collaborations turned on.
Oh, where is the collaboration thing?
In the settings, in the gear on the left-hand side. It says collaboration,
right.
authorship,
Oh, I
info.
don't have any collaboration. Are you kidding me? Okay. Collaboration, yeah. Authorship info.
Let me see if I can open another file or something.
Yeah.
It's letting me open all the files, yeah. So
Yeah, you can browse all my workspace, but I don't know, like, I just want to. Yeah, and here I can see like whatever you opening and closing is
yeah.
option here.
Hmm.
Run and debug, deploy, open files.
Did you have to import all of this, all of your folders and stuff, or you've just created them individually?
Well, I import the courseware that they had in like in the courseware repository somewhere. Like, do you know that they prepare like the virtual machine for Amazon?
Well, I had the virtual machine on a VirtualBox, but then when I was
Okay.
trying to use it
Well,
for some
I did the
reason,
configuration on Amazon Cloud Store, whatever thing they have, and then I just realized that it was much better, and I imported everything they have there,
okay,
and
yeah,
install all the gems for Ruby that they need. So
okay,
hopefully
okay.
this work, but man, I cannot get around. Like, how can you type here and we can all share the same thing?
Yeah, I don't understand it either.
So
Type.
dumb.
Yeah, it doesn't. Well,
You
it does. They did disclose that the cloud9 wasn't necessarily completely accurate, but
can you see anything that I'm editing? And
no, I can't see anything that you're typing. Can you see anything that I'm typing? I'm just
nope, no.
okay. Huh.
Let me
Out.
see. There is a
Oh, wait. Let's see here. No, that's not it.
unsafe, reveal active project tree, collaboration, authorship info. There's anything.
Huh. This is
Workspace.
very weird.
Yeah. Well, I will think that this is the hardest part of the homework, trying to get to work with somebody.
Yeah.
Like
I
the yeah.
yeah, it's
Scroll. Oh, which time you have right now?
7:24 p.m.
All right, you're good. Yeah, here's almost 11, so
Okay.
let's see here. Keyboard shortcuts. It is status preview. I don't know what is preview support. FAQs. Let's see.
No, do not save.
Multiple port binding, multiple project. Grant somebody access to my workspace. I just did that. Allow
Hmm.
private and trying just to read some documentation. So,
Yeah. Hmm.
do they have something on the? Let me see.
That's what I was going back to look through the courseware to see if there was.
Yeah, another good option is cloud9, but I'm not gonna,
Online
there's
resources.
none specific. I just googled it. Cloud9 programming.
Hmm.
Pair programming. Real-time tool. Okay, let's see. No. Features cloud9 collaborative. First look, three approach from remote pair programming. With a lot of cloud9. I use cloud9. I can find collaborators in cloud9.
Hmm. This is
Yeah, I can
weird.
see everything you are opening and closing, but cannot see the actual
Yeah.
live thing
Yeah.
there's going on.
Yeah. It doesn't make sense.
I click on the home, sign me on. Go to real-time collaboration. Review code, develop compare program, review, get audience to get involved. How do I do this? See in action. Let's see.
Yeah, this is a little weird. What was that?
Yeah, I'm just playing a video here.
Oh, okay.
So they are doing the thing, make it work. Oh, I see there is something else popping up when they open this. So we should open this in a different mode so we can actually see it. Duplicate, new folder, no, fresh. Edit, preview. Oh, can you see the preview?
I can see it. Hold on, let me go back to the. I was on the Hangout screen. No, all I see is what I see it on the Hangout screen. Oh, you know what? That's probably how we do it.
But I don't think you have control over the Hangout thing. I mean, like, I think you can see, but not take control over my desktop.
Yeah, exactly. So, okay, so let me minimize. Let me have my window over here. So, can you see? If you minimize your Hangouts window, and then go back into the, or you're into the Cloud9 window.
I'm on the cloud9, yeah.
Okay, but you can see. Well, do I share my screen with you as well? Maybe that's why.
No, I don't think you're sharing your window right now.
No, I'm not, but I'm saying, should I share my screen with you? That way you could see Google Hangout, courseware, Cloud9. I don't know.
No, I don't think so, no.
Okay.
This is just a screen share. Or maybe it's not like live editing. So I can actually edit here. Like can you open homework0part1.rb?
Yeah, hold on.
All right, you have it open, right?
Yeah, it says Lewis here.
I'm going to define demo.
Oh, now I see it. Okay, now I see you typing.
It's live?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Okay. And can you write on that thing?
Let me see here. Are you writing in the terminal or on the actual? Let's see here.
No, on the actual file.
Demo.
Yeah, on the white space that is there.
Okay.
Just write anything that you want to write here. I can see you.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool. Oh, finally, there was kind of magic stuff going on there. So
Yeah.
let's try. I'm a little bit short on time. I think I have just half an hour to do something here, but
okay.
At least, well, I think the problem was like I had this file open before sharing and the workspace with you.
Okay.
So maybe when I closed it and opened again, it kind of synced with you.
Yeah, that's probably what it was.
I think that was going on there. So let's go real quick here to the homework. Courseware. Do you have an experience programming?
Just with HTML and CSS, not really any of Ruby. This is my first time learning, so.
Okay.
Yourself?
Yeah, I have some experience programming and not so much with HTML and CSS, but I mean I have done some basic stuff there, but not really.
This is a little confusing for me.
Well, I may help you with some. So this from 0, port 1, where is? Okay,
so when you were using the virtual machine, it wasn't working for you to do the homework like this. You had to go to the Cloud9, huh?
No, I was able. I was just interested. I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, I wanted to have the experience like sharing with somebody.
Okay, I see.
And do this pair programming with somebody else.
Gotcha.
Okay, let's see. Cloud0 homework part 9. Pairing on the cloud. Good, done. Okay, this is the first stuff I need to do. Define a method sum. I will go there, copy it in here.
Right.
Oh, this is not what I meant to copy.
Oh, so you're copying the...
Yeah, I'm just copying the text there,
Okay.
so we can just go from here. So let's comment this. A method sum which take an array and integer and return. Okay. Do you think you're able to do this method? I will guide you. I will guide
Yeah,
you if you have any question.
I'll try for sure.
Give it a shot, yeah.
So define, so it would be def, and then a method of sum, which would be sum, parentheses, 2 plus 4, and returns the sum of itself.
Why you would say like is 2 plus 4?
There. I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. I mean, I just was.
Okay, hold on.
I just wanted to ask you why you think that should be there.
I'm not really sure.
All right, no problem.
So
okay, yeah. When you have this, like, let me just walk you through this very quickly here.
Okay.
So when you go here, you define a method. A method is just like a function that you want this sum to do something, and it's going to receive some parameters to do something, right?
Okay.
So and then this def, you are going to define something here. You have to tell n. That's one of the, easiest way to do. Like you go sum n, and I think here you don't have to actually do that parenthesis thing. Okay. You have def sum n, and then afterwards you can just call sum, and then here you pass the parameters you want to do, like pass an array or whatever thing you want to do.
Okay.
So sum, you define.
So after you define the sum, which is the method, you close it, and then you
can call it. You can call it outside. Okay.
So then the sum.
So and this is going to return the sum of its elements for an empty array. It should return 0. So this is going to. So actually, I'm not really. So here, let's see something very useful here that they have. So they have this arrays. Open new tab. You can switch over the Hangout just to watch my screen.
Oh yeah, let me make it bigger. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. No size.
So I have just opened the Ruby doc documentation about the arrays.
Okay.
Are you watching?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. And so here you can look like first array equals what is this sign? Brace?
Oh yeah, bracket.
Bracket, yeah. Bracket. I'm sorry, I speak English as a second language.
No, no problem.
I have some, I may say like initial words for an English speaker, but okay, brackets, maths. So when whatever you define it, whatever is between brackets, it's going to be an array.
Okay.
Which is just a list of stuff that you want to set in. In this case, there are 2 strings, maths and Guido. Okay. It could be integers, or it could be objects, or it could be anything you want.
Right.
So that is part of the flexibility of Ruby.
Okay.
So in this case, we need to define this method to receive an array as a parameter. So my first guess will be to do cloud9. So here I will say array. So this array int. So this sum method is going to receive as a parameter an array of integer.
Okay.
Can you see it here?
Yeah.
And then we want to sum all the elements of this array. That's what they need, right? Yeah, return the sum of its elements. So we'll say return, and I'm pretty sure that here an array, they have the sum somewhere.
Probably so.
No sum for me? Oh, come on. Okay.
Yeah, there's so many commands, like sum.
Yeah, but in this case we don't have it. I mean, I'm used to programming Java and C and different languages, so
Okay.
Ruby is kind of new for me. So that's when I'm a little bit lost.
Gotcha.
But I will say like array. This guy is a list of elements. Array.
The Y. Okay. Yeah.
Array. Score integer. Each on that on array. So let's just check here the documentation. And they have each, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, they have to. That's very common.
Yeah. Yeah, here. I just want to iterate on each element of this array. So if you can see at the hangout here.
Yeah.
They have a dot as an array each. And then on the, you say these are parentheses, no, curly braces.
Yeah, curly braces.
Okay, and
the pipe method.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then on this pipe, this is just a variable. You can call it whatever you want.
Yeah, x equals 3, whatever it is.
But the mean, no. You cannot assign a value here because the value that has this between the pipes is going to be each of the elements that are contained on this A array.
Okay.
Are you following?
Okay. Yeah. So then, so x would be
the values
A,
here will
B, or C.
That's correct. It's going to repeat. It's going to iterate each time. So it's going to take A, B, and C, and it's going to print it, as you can see here.
Yeah.
And additionally, these guys are adding just like 2 dashes there. So just for, I don't know.
Like emphasis, yeah.
Yeah, let's go to our course here. So we're going to do each. So we need to do the curly braces, right?
Yeah.
So they call this a block. I mean, I think you can do anything you want between these blocks and like doing some logic stuff.
Anything, yeah. So let's say bread. Oops, I need to click on it. Right. So bread.
Oh, you need the pipes. Don't forget the pipes.
Oh, that's right. So with the pipes would be X first.
Yeah, you can name it whatever you want. If you want to call it bread, you can call it bread. But I mean, it's not going to be meaningful when you are reading the code.
Right. Okay.
So you can call it like number or something like that because each one is supposed, or integer or ent or something like that.
Oh, okay. E or I? Is it E or I?
I am sorry.
Okay, no worries.
That's E in Spanish.
What's your first language?
Spanish, yeah.
Ah, okay.
So that's why I say E, but it's I.
Yeah. So I and T, and then and then we need to
do something.
Yeah. So it can be either x equals int.
Okay, hold on a second here. Hold on a second. Here, after you select with the pipes the variable you are going to iterate, you need to do something, and it's.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. Okay,
you need the do statement. Remember that after the pipe, you always need to do something with that variable.
Always do. Okay.
And then you have to good. You got the variable int, but we need to add something, right?
Yeah. So what is that screen again? Can you go back to the array screen?
Yeah, sure. Here.
Thanks. Oh yeah, so we can either put it or print it, right?
Yeah, and here is like a very programmatic trick we have to add a value to an existing variable.
Oh, here on what we're doing in Cloud9?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So here you can see is this example. They are just comparing I minor or less than 3.
Right. Okay.
So in
So
here, in this block, we need to do I equals the sum of the next element of I. So we have the total of the whole array we are computing.
of I.
Yeah, in this case, if we receive this array here, we should have to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Right. Okay. So that would be in here.
So we need to do some programmatically here, so we achieve that.
Okay. So then could we say?
So let's go to the.
Well, we need this in here. Just not sure where.
Yes.
Do int times 4 maybe.
Well, here is a very trick. I mean, I just know it by heart because it's the same in every program. In any language I have programmed to. So you do int, and you can do plus equal int.
Ah, okay, okay.
So this is a trick, like you are storing here. This is equal to say int is equal this int plus the next one or plus something else, the next iteration that is going to do.
Okay.
So I will get plus 1 int. So in this block, this guy is sort of storing this value. But I'm not really sure about it now that I'm seeing here. Because we need a static. So here we take this as a, let's call it result. So we are storing in result. It's a little bit annoying, like the highlighting, right?
Yeah. Can you change it to the dark? I'm used to like the the terminal where it's black.
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe if we.
Would you prefer to edit or you?
I just suggest
on the terminal, which editor you use? VI?
Yeah, yeah.
You're familiar with VI?
I mean, when not super familiar, but yeah.
It could be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but
yeah.
I will keep it here. Let's try to finish this exercise here. So can you see here, like we are just assigning this result, the sum of these variables here.
Of the ends, yeah.
So this result is going to store everything that is here, there, right?
Right.
And they say for an empty array, it should return 0.
Right.
So we define a new variable. You can do it. You can define a variable before doing the iteration. You can just set result equals 0 because that's going to be like the default result we are going to return.
But that's not going to be in here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So then we take this out to the 0.
No. Take that as an integer. Cool.
Okay.
But before, I meant before we do anything, because here, if an array is empty, it should return 0. So it doesn't matter if it doesn't have any element. If it doesn't have any element, it's not going to do anything for each, because they are not going to be each.
Right. So for the array, it should return 0.
Right. So you want result to equal 0 before doing anything.
0. Oh, before even the piping?
Yeah. Here, before even the each statement.
Ah, got you. Okay.
Because if the array is 0 is empty, it's not going to do anything.
Right. So it's just defining it.
Yeah. Perfect. The code that we have between the curly braces is only to execute if there is something on the array.
Right. Well, it has to call whatever the result is. So the result has to be equal to 0 in order for this to work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then return, we end that, and then
we need to return the result.
Okay.
When you have return, you have space result.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we can end, right, or call.
And then, yes, we should be good to go with this first exercise here. So here we just need one end statement, because def.
Oh, okay.
And end, and that's it.
Okay.
And
But
in
for
Ruby,
the
yeah,
second part, okay. And in
in
Ruby,
Ruby it's
what?
very tricky because if you do an if statement, you need an end too. So
Yeah,
that end keyword could be a little bit confusing. I mean,
yeah,
when we're getting
yeah.
this. It was for me, like I was going crazy when doing if statement. So here you define a function. It's going to receive an array of integers. You set a variable result equals 0. You are doing each, or you are iterating the array of integer, and then extracting the integer value of each of those and doing a sum on result.
Right.
So this here is exactly the same to saying result equals plus result. This thing
Okay.
here
Okay.
is exactly the same as doing here, but this is kind of a shortcut. Instead of doing this long stuff, you just do this.
Yeah, the bottom on 13 is the shortcut, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no,
So
the 13 is a long way. The shortcut is the one which is in line
in
8.
the brackets. Okay, okay. Or the curly braces. Okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
this is exactly equal. I'm going to write it down. Plus equal integer. Did I integer? Yeah. 13 and 14 do exactly the same thing.
Okay.
So
Cool.
14 is just kind of a shortcut to 13. I mean, you write less code, I will guess. Although it could be not as explicit. So you will get used to it. If you continue to program, you will
Yeah,
get used
that's
to this.
yeah, okay. But have you had to, just in your experience, have you had to kind of forget a lot of your habits with Java
Well,
learning Ruby?
no, they're pretty useful. I mean, I have to kind of reset my mind to the new variables and convention of the new languages.
Right.
I
Hi
mean,
everybody.
I started programming in C and C++,
Okay.
and then Java, and then Python, and now Ruby. So
So yeah, so you're you're
I've
pretty
been
good.
like, yeah, I've been like, I wouldn't say I'm pretty good, but I'm very used to it.
Can you hear me?
Oh, there's somebody else here.
Oh, I guess so.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello,
Hello.
Hi, hi. Um, how's it going?
hello. Can you hear
Hello.
us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay. Can
Yes.
you follow wherever we're doing? I mean, we are kind of in the process of doing the first exercise. So
Yeah, I'm at the first exercise as well.
yeah, I mean, we just got the first exercise, so you might check that out. If you have any questions, you
'Cause
can just jump in.
I'm kind of new to cloud9 because at first I was trying to use a VM, but it's
Oh,
really slow on my machine.
okay. Well, it was a little bit painful, I have to tell you,
Yeah.
to go through the
What,
configuration. So
cloud9?
I don't want to do that right
I,
now. I mean,
yeah.
I'm really sorry. So we just got this working right now, and
What, the
really like,
cloud9?
yeah, it was
Cloud9?
tricky to get us both to look at the same and
The
edit the
screen.
same
Yeah.
file. And I think like three people will be like a little bit messy, like too
Yeah.
much people trying to edit the same file. So
Yeah, 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 yeah.
you can watch whatever we're doing, and
Mm,
if you have any question, you can just jump and tell us, oh, why are you doing this, or I don't know if that'll be helpful for you.
alright. I've done something already still, but
You might copy this. I mean, you cannot copy, but you might kind of do whatever we are doing here on your editor if you have a virtual machine
yeah.
or Ruby on your console. So I'm sorry. The first person where I was talking, your name is.
Josh, and you?
Oh, Josh. All right, Josh. Yeah. So Josh
Louis.
and
Louis. Yeah,
yeah,
Louis.
Luis. And after defining this method, we just need to test it, right?
Right.
I mean, we need to make sure that whatever we're doing here is gonna work. It's going to work. Otherwise,
Correct.
we're
Yeah.
just losing our time here.
Right.
So let's define a
So
variable called
just a
array
second. Just a second.
test.
Okay.
Yeah. With this peer programming thing, I need to. record and upload it, right?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry?
The pair programming, it's a part of the task, right?
Yes.
So is it that both
Or not
persons,
really.
is it that both persons, like both of you have to do
What
the recording?
generally it's one-on-one, like so two people.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Yeah, so it's a little
so one person do the recording and it's the same link that both persons share.
yeah.
This okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you created the array test and you're gonna run that.
Yeah, that's
Oops.
yeah. And can you fill it with any array of integers or
Okay.
like integer numbers there?
Yeah, so
You need the
uh,
brackets.
right. So oops, no, wrong ones.
Wrong one.
Okay.
Well,
Sorry.
here you want to input the actual number
Oh, okay. So it would be 0.
because we want to test. Yeah, we want to test.
Um,
0 is a valid integer,
yeah.
correct? Comma.
Oh yeah, comma, and
Yeah.
then
Whatever, 1, 2, or 5, or whatever
yeah,
number you
2,
integer.
and
And
then
I don't know if
bracket.
you're familiar with I will say, I don't know, like you can have an integer, a float, a array. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but
Oh yeah. It's
that's very important when you are programming, like to know each data structure. I don't know if they're called data structure, but
would
kind of the
it?
thing that you can hold variables in. So you need to get
Oh,
very
the parentheses.
well. That will be a string, and you don't want to put a
Right.
string
Okay.
there.
Yeah. What is it?
What is that? A Z?
Oh, it's a 2.
Oh, it's a
I
two.
don't know
Okay,
why.
it's
Yeah, I
looking
don't
weird
know
here.
why.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
let's
You
change
can
it to.
comma input whatever you want. Yeah, there.
Okay.
And then
And
close
then
the
close.
bracket.
Right. And
That'll be
then
enough.
okay.
Close the bracket. Okay, and the other line. In the other line, we
So
want to
that would be.
call our sum. Just write sum,
Oh,
which is the number of our method,
oops.
and then between the parentheses. No, you don't need to equal
All
sum.
right. I see.
You
So
just
some
call.
parentheses.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, any one of those numbers, right?
No, oh no, you are going to send the actual array we just set before array
Okay.
underscore test.
So
So we
array.
want to send that guy in close parentheses, and that's it.
Okay. No in.
This will call our method, but I mean this is not going to do anything helpful for us because we want actually to see what's going on. So we need
Right.
to print it, and to
Okay. So
print
then
on Ruby we need a
print command
but the
or
print
a
command
put.
is called puts.
Yeah, puts. So
So we
then
need to
put.
put before the sum.
Right.
And we want to put correct.
And then it should run, right?
Yeah. Let's try to run it. Let's save this. Okay.
You're gonna say, oh, you saved it already? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then let's just open a new tool. Well, to run I can just run here. Let's see what's going on. Let me clear this. This is my. Okay, we have a problem. Syntax error. Unexpected keyword do block on array. Okay.
Where? Oh, let me go back to the.
Our do statement is funky. Let's see what's going on. Let's check the array.
Oh, we should we
We
should
don't
have
need
printed it in
do.
there. Huh?
No,
Yeah,
we
we
don't
did.
need do actually. It was
So
my
we needed.
bad actually.
Oh, yeah, we needed print instead, huh?
No. Anything. Nothing.
Okay. So just erase do and then result.
Yeah.
Okay.
And run it again.
I'm
Let's
just gonna
save
watch you.
first. Yeah. And then run. Running Ruby process. Nothing for us.
Huh.
Let's terminate it again. Oh, right now it worked.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah. Let me just run it again.
But you know, it's crazy. It doesn't show on mine. I have to look at your Hangout screen.
Yeah, it's very funky. I mean, it's just. I mean, this kind of pair programming on cloud9 is only good for editing the actual file,
Right.
not to looking at the whole thing. Like, I mean, it's not like a desktop share or an application sharing that you're doing there.
But you haven't. So you haven't tried paired programming on the virtual machine.
And no,
You know, you can do it from the virtual machine as well.
really?
Yeah, there's a here. I'll send you the link.
Oh, but that's for VirtualBox.
There's VirtualBox and there's something else.
Because I'm using the Amazon because I don't want to install anything on my computer.
Oh, but so you didn't install. You don't have Ruby installed on your computer. You're just running everything off the cloud. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, I'm just using whatever I can. Well, I have a spare computer here that I might use for that, but
Okay.
okay,
So
let's see.
you're on the East Coast, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I should go to bed soon.
Where at on the East Coast?
Oh, it's in New York City. It's not New York City. It's not New York City. It's New York State and city, like 4 hours away to New York City.
Okay, like Albany or something.
Yeah, close to Albany. Very close to Albany.
Gotcha. Okay.
And where are you right now?
I'm in Los Angeles, but I'm from North Carolina, actually.
LA.
Yeah.
Cool. I've never been at LA. I mean, all my family have visited LA at some point. I've never been there, but
Oh, you'll have to come out, man.
yeah. It must be really warm right now because if here it's like 20, like I don't know, like 80. There it should be like 90s or.
Yeah, no, it was pretty close. Yeah, it was 91 today. Yeah, tomorrow it's supposed to be 100. So
yeah. And I'm really happy because this winter was really relentless with us. Like,
yeah, that's what I heard. Yeah.
that Arctic vortex stuff was really bad.
It was really bad.
So here we have our first method, and let's check. This is the first exercise, and then we have two more.
Yeah, and it's the max 2 sum, and then sum to n.
Okay, we want to try. You want me to do the second one and?
Yeah, let me watch you do that so I can. Okay.
Well, you are not going to really learn a lot because we all learn by doing, but.
Okay, so then I'll do it. So def sum 2, right? Oops.
Let me just copy the thing so you have
it. Okay.
That'll be easy for you just to copy and paste.
You are right. We do learn by doing, so.
Yeah. And if you have little experience programming, I mean, I already did this whole bunch of exercise, and the second one is very confusing because it's with regular expressions.
Okay.
And it's very.
Well, see, I haven't seen these methods anywhere before. So.
Which ones?
Well, I've seen the sum method, but not the max 2 sum. I haven't seen that one yet.
No, okay. Let's see. Okay. I click enter. Okay, I want to comment because I don't want you to screw with my. Okay. It's a little bit slow sometimes.
Yeah, and it's weird because I can't, like, if I want to copy this from here, it won't allow me to translate it to like a text edit or something.
Oh, you cannot copy from a text editor from here?
From here, I can't. Let's say I wanted to copy this rule. I can't copy the.
Yeah, like if you have a notepad or something like that.
Yeah, so I tried to copy it, but it doesn't paste it.
Oh man.
So weird.
Well, yeah. Okay, let's try that and define a method sum to sum max to sum. So it should be the same thing.
Okay, yeah. So then def, but it would be max 2 sum, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, and then
It's going to take an array of integer as the previous one.
Which is the same one.
And we have a second argument there, which is going to be
as an argument and returns.
No, but wait.
Oh,
Hold on.
Sorry. Okay.
Hold on. You're going too fast.
All right.
Takes an array of integer as an argument and return. Oh no, you're good. Okay. No, I was wrong. That was the third one. I was just telling you by heart.
Oh yeah, you were going to the yeah. You remembered. It gets harder as you go along. Okay, returns the sum of its two largest elements. Returns. So we have to create the elements first.
Yes.
Before it can return them. So for an empty array, it should be return 0. For an array with just one element, it should return that element. So the result would equal
0 as well.
Equals 0.
I'm going to grab a glass of water and I'll be
okay,
back.
Sure. Yeah. And then for an empty array, it should return 0. And then for an array with just one element, it should return that element. Return. So and then array equals to.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay, cool. So would we have to call both since we're defining an empty array and an array with one element?
Well, here define a method maxSum2 which takes an array of integer as an argument and returns the sum of its two largest elements. So here you don't need to create an array because you're going to use the same as they're been sending.
Okay.
So
then that would be the dot each again.
Yeah. For an empty array, it should return 0. Okay, we just want to get the sum of its two largest elements.
But we have to define the two largest elements.
No, we need to sort that array.
Okay.
Because if you don't have it sorted, it's going to be really hard to find its.
So.
And I don't know it by heart, so I don't know which one is the method on a right integer to sort it.
Okay, so let me
guess
go.
It's sort, but let's go to this.
I think it is sort. I do remember sort. Let's see, let me go to my.
Yeah, you got it.
So okay, so it would be array underscore dot int slash dot sort, right?
Can you look at the hangout real quick?
Okay. Sort to new array.
So here, look at this.
Okay.
This is pretty cool and confusing.
Yeah, so a dot sort. Okay.
So but listen here, you have a dot sort. It's going to sort it. But you have this crazy stuff. I mean, you can do the curly braces here to get this sort to do its stuff inside.
Right. So this is the one that we have already. So realistically, all I need to do is add those elements from the previous one, like 0, 3.
So here, I will say we sort this, and we maybe. So here we are sorting in a increasing mode, and this is the decreasing.
Right. Yeah.
And to do the decreasing, we need to do this.
Okay.
So
then let me see. Let me copy that. So then, but we need to make our. So the array. We're not dealing with this same array here of numbers, right? 0, 3, 5, and 7.
Yes, we are doing the same.
Oh, so it's the same ones. Okay. So if I enter those, so let me see here. So then, yeah, that's right. Dot sort. Curly brackets. Let me go back to look at that there.
Oh, you want me to send this link to you, or you have it on your desktop?
Please. Do I have it on my desktop? I don't think so.
You may be. Like it will be easy for you to just copy and paste that stuff there.
Yeah. But then I know I'm piping again, so. And then I know I'm gonna have to close it eventually. So. You send it to the chat in the Hangout or something. Let's see here. Okay. Bye-bye. So I'm just looking at the the sort. Control F, sort. Man, I didn't really find it well, huh? 22 matches.
Yeah.
There it is. Okay. So the pipe, and then I need to add so then so then that would be, I need a comma by this. So since we're dealing
But remember that we need only just two elements. The largest two elements, the two largest elements.
So 7 and 5.
Mm-hmm.
Then piping, and then we.
No, but that would be too easy. But because if we change the array test, it's not gonna work. If we send a different, I mean, we need variables to do it.
So that still needs to be int, right? And then
I will do you a favor and tell you what is the easiest way to do it.
Okay.
You take this array in and sort it, and store in a different array which is sorted. And then just take the two first or two last elements of that. And
sort those.
And sum those, and that's it.
Okay. So then I need to. So here I just need to list all of the numbers, right, and sort them.
Just can I take control a little bit?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I will do it here. What I will do is call a new array sorted equal array. Well, why you don't like that? Here, sort. Right. Okay. So we have this array sorted inside this variable here.
Okay.
But I would like to I will have to in decreasing mode, because if it's increasing, then the two largest are going to be the two last elements.
Right.
And I will prefer to just have the two first elements, just to keep it simple. So here I paste this. This is exactly the same which is in the page.
Yeah, right.
Sorted, array in sorted, and this is unsorted. And then the only thing we need to do is sum the two last elements of this array. So to take the two last elements, I will say, let me see here, and this could be like select item block, invocable, select v, slice, start length, start index, slice index, returns the element at index, or returns a subarray starting at start and continue for length element. Slice deletes the element given by an index. Optionally, sort, take. Return first n elements of. Okay, take. I will take them. So I will take the only two elements of this array, the first two elements. If you can see the example here, are you looking at the handout?
I'm looking, yeah.
You have a equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 0, and you do a dot take 3. Take 3. Okay. And it's going to take the first three elements. So we just want to take the two ones that they are the largest ones, because we already sorted decreasingly.
Okay.
Or yeah, decreasingly is a correct word. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Okay. So we have sorted, and we want sorted to take 2. And in this sorted to take 2, we want to sum them. And we can do it by the same thing we did before. Each I'm just oh I can copy. I just copy the same code we just did before.
Okay.
For array int each. So here I'm just saying sorted dot take 2 dot each give me the sum of those, and store them in result, which is the variable we just set here at the beginning.
Okay.
So this code is really compressed.
Right. Clean.
You have doubts there?
Code. No. It's tough understanding it because the take 2 method I haven't gotten there yet, so
yeah,
your knowledge is because you already knew that there was an element like that, so
well, if I would have known for any array, for anything in the programming languages, there is a method. This is a very object-oriented programming language.
Yeah.
So there has to be a method for everything you need to do.
Right.
So you have to browse those APIs very, very well, looking for whatever you need to do.
Gotcha.
In this case, it was browsing, so I need to. I actually didn't remember it was take, but I knew that there was something there.
Something that you could use to do exactly what you needed to do.
Yeah. What is really important here is to know what is everything. For example, here. Can you see when I highlight something?
Yeah.
So, for example, here, sorted to take 2. I know that this is an array, even though I'm calling a method here. This is just simply that it's returning an array.
Right.
As it will be like this, the one we said at the beginning, like array underscore int. They are the same. This and this are logically the same. They're not actually the same thing because they are holding different numbers and stuff.
Right.
But they are the same thing, like in HTML, like the same label.
Right. Yeah. The same class.
Yeah. You can enter anything you want in between labels. So here you will, or the class, you have many attributes for classes.
Right.
And you can do whatever you want with them, but here they're just the same. So here I'm just calling each out of this array, which I have highlighted here, and iterating the int value inside them and just store them in result.
Right.
But here there's a problem. That is, if for an empty array it should return 0, and for an array with just one element it should return that element. Oh, okay, this will do it. This will do it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Take 2. So it's the sum of 2 largest elements for each array return 0, right? Because the result is 0.
Correct.
For the array with just one element, it would only return the largest of that element.
Correct.
So, okay. So now we run that.
No, we need to return.
Oh, that's right.
Where are we going to return?
Yeah, that's right. So we're going to return the sum, which would be the result.
Correct.
Then return the sum of its 2 largest elements. No, wait. No, yeah, we return the result.
Correct.
And oops. Yeah.
We just need to end that define if we haven't done so. Oh yeah, it's ended. Yeah.
Yeah, I just ended it. So now we can.
Yeah, we're good to test.
Okay.
So go down, as we did on the first exercise.
But do you have to test it? You have to test it, right? Because it's from.
Well, I will recommend you to test wherever you're programming.
Yeah, so let me. I'm trying to hit file to save it, but it's not letting me open the file.
Oh, it's already saved here.
Oh, you saved. Okay, okay, save.
No, I haven't saved it, but it's saved somehow.
Okay,
I think you
so.
press Control S and it's automatically saved. Or
Oh, wait,
something.
there we go. Okay, yeah, change is saved. Okay, so then array underscore test equals
Whatever number you want.
yeah. I was say my brackets 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops, and then puts some. Oops.
Max.
Yeah, max to some. Um,
And I have a question. Why are you interested in doing this course? What is your motivation for doing it?
but I want to learn how to program software.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and computers and other things. And
That's cool.
Yeah, that's it, really. I guess I probably should have. I probably should have started with C. That's what I've been told.
You don't
Initially.
really have to. You just have to start doing whatever you feel like doing it.
Yeah, and then I saw this course on the thing, and I saw that it was opening, so I signed up for it, and that's why. There was really no like, is there, should I not be doing it?
Well, I will say like it's getting nastier after when, I mean, as you progress on the course, it's getting nasty. Like the exercises are
Hard.
they're hard, but they're doable. But I mean, you have to like, if you have never programmed before, you're going to have like to really study and to read a lot about Ruby.
Right. So a
Which
lot of
is which I don't know if you have the time to do so. So that'll be like the one challenge for you, I will say.
right.
Because for me, I'm just like kind of pairing everything like I know from Java or Python or whatever. I'm just kind of find the similar stuff and Ruby that does the thing that I already know. But
Right. So what is your are you a software programmer or what do you do? Are you
well,
just
I'm a systems engineer,
okay, okay. That's
and
cool.
I have experience working in Java enterprise applications, J2, EE, on a
Oh,
very huge platforms.
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, if you learn how to program, and you are going to have a bunch of opportunities out there
Do so much, yeah.
to do and to learn, and it could be overwhelming at some point.
No, yeah,
Um,
I can definitely see that. And well, I mean, I want to create my own, own stuff too. So
mhm.
that's kind of why I need to learn this because this is kind of the newest, one of the newest foundations of it. So,
Mhm.
a lot of things are programmed in this now. So,
Yeah, one of my motivations for doing this course is because I mean, I know some Objective-C, which is the thing for iPhone applications,
yeah,
the language for iPhone,
right.
and I would love to host those applications on Amazon.
Yeah.
And the
And
back end, I will love that to be Ruby because it's very easy to program and very fast to deliver products.
yeah. No, definitely. Would you think about would you actually have the time to do like tutoring or anything like that? If is that an
Well, I'm
option?
not. I mean, I'm work. I mean, I have a full-time job right now,
Ah, okay.
so I'm kind of full from 5 to almost 6
Yeah.
p.m.
Yeah.
So I will do this. I mean, I'm doing this kind of for fun and to learn about Ruby.
Right. So
And
are you're taking the full course or are you just kind of messing around with it?
no, no, I want to try to do it,
Okay.
to
I
do the
see what
whole
you mean.
thing.
Have you ever done one of these
No,
online?
never,
No?
never. That's
Yeah.
another stuff that I wanted to try
Yeah. Same here. It's kind of
because
yeah,
there
same.
because there are other stuff that you can even pay for it and get a certificate and blah blah blah. And
Yeah.
I'm not feeling like I want to do that right now. I want just to have the experience, have the full experience, see how it
Well,
goes.
yeah, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at too, because you can go and you can take a 2 month course, crash course, and you
Hmm.
pay for it, but you know,
Yeah, it's not. I mean, you know if it's going to be worthwhile or not, or
Yeah, it's a good way to kind of find out, how it will work and if it will work for you.
yeah.
So, yeah, no, I mean, it's
And
so far it's cool and it's great, and I like, the videos from the professors. They seem like really, really intelligent guys, and
yeah, the second guy,
he's a little speedy, man. He's a little
man,
fast.
that guy is running and throwing jokes and at the same time, and my
Yeah,
gosh,
his brain works so fast. I
yeah,
only hope that I can get to that point to where my brain is just because you could tell he's one of the people that kind of like he
he's
probably
brilliant.
dreams.
He's
Yeah,
brilliant.
he dreams in code. Like he
Yeah,
can do it in his sleep. Like
yeah,
it's amazing, amazing.
yeah.
So I eventually want to get to that point, but you got to crawl before you can walk. So
Yeah, 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 and you need a lot of practice and do
yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of practice.
Well, I appreciate all your help and your guidance. Not a lot of people would do that, and
I'm just kind of hanging out here. I mean, hanging out here with you, and if you can take something from it,
yeah,
it's nice for
yeah.
me. Like,
It's definitely it's cleared up some stuff for me. So, okay, so getting back to this, is this is so
so,
now to run the code, I would do that in terminal. So,
oh, okay.
right? No, it's
Yeah,
not
you can
letting
do
me
that.
type.
Yeah, I don't know if I can see it from here, but
Well,
you
it's
can
it's
you
not
can try.
letting it's not letting me type in the terminal for some reason.
Oh, okay. Can you hit just the run button on top of it, the
Yeah.
green, and see if I can see the output? Oh yeah, I can see the output.
Okay.
And there is a problem with result. This
Oh,
is
there's no T. Is that
somewhere.
why?
Where?
It says
Tell the
result.
line.
There's no T on there.
Line
Right here.
28.
Oh, 28. Ah, the last line, huh? So we're not doing.
Oh, 24. Oh, no, no, I'm sorry. 24.
Oh yeah. So
Oh,
we've
you
written.
just added the T, right?
Sorry.
Let's just.
Oh,
I mean,
so we're not returning the result then, huh? Is that why? No,
no.
the T was in there before. Yeah, it just spells
Yeah,
RUSRESUL.
yeah. It's telling you, it's yelling at you because result is not a variable. If you read there, it's undefined
Undefined
local
local
variable
variable for method
result.
for main object
Try to
name
run it
error.
again. Run it again and see.
Okay.
Because the T is there.
Yeah, it's been there.
Cool.
It's good.
We just got it, right?
Yeah.
And you see the output there, the 7,
Yeah, it's
which
15.
is 4 plus 3.
Yeah, 3 plus 4.
Oh, 3
Yeah.
plus 4. Yeah.
Same
Can
thing.
you
Yeah, yeah. And then the 15.
let's do something here. Let's just mess around with this. Like,
Okay. Oh yeah. That's cool. Let's see what it does for us. Run.
yeah, see if it's all right. Save and run.
Did you run? I think I have to look at it on your screen. Oh no, it came up on mine. Oh, what?
What?
3,
Yeah.
32, and 15.
Yeah, there are two hires. Yeah, the
That's
two
cool.
largest element. And let's see if we add a string here.
And you'd have to put the brackets to add the string inside the brackets, right? Oh no. The quotes.
The quotes
Hola.
here. This is going to yell at us like, I'm not doing
Yeah.
that.
It's too much. Argument error.
Yeah, it's not prepared to receive this.
Yeah, we'd have to enter that string in there. It equals hola, right?
Well, no, because there is no way Ola is going to be readable and sorted and added
Into integers, yeah.
into each. Yeah, so there's no way. So if we want to like protect our code from this, we need an if statement here. That if all of these guys are not the same thing.
Yeah, if or else, right.
But right now this is not required, and we are not going to jump.
We're not going to go the extra mile.
But just wait for exercise 2 or for the next exercise, and what they're going to ask for.
Oh, okay.
So just to wrap it up, I mean, I really need to go to bed right now.
No. I appreciate all your help. I'm gonna say.
I will do the last exercise and show you very quick.
Okay.
So you have the whole thing covered, and then you can just take it from here and try to to
Just
attack.
redo it on my own. Yeah.
The second one is going to be really, really hard, but I mean,
The second homework part 2.
yeah, homework part 2 is challenging. But I mean, you get to learn good stuff that you eventually will need. I mean, if you planning into like doing your products or writing your own programs and developing applications, you are going to need these tools they are giving you here, just regular expressions.
The array link that you sent me.
No. That is a lot of information that you don't have to take it right now. I mean, you can just use as you go. Like, just take as much information as you go from that. What I'm telling you is the part 2
of the homework, right?
The homework part 2. They make you use regular expressions. You know what regular expressions are?
Refresh my memory.
Well, regular expressions are like patterns or like very quick programming sentences that allowed you to find patterns into a string. For example, if you want to input your email address and you want to make sure the people is passing a correct email address, you want to check this has a at dot something, right?
Yeah.
So with regular expression in few lines of code, you can check this very, very quick.
Right. Yeah. Like if there's not enough elements, or you didn't enter enough things.
Yeah. Well, with regular expression, you just check like a string of information for values you want to check they are there. Like, for example, if you want to like do a multiplications, you expect like you want some numbers in. So you can check this by using regular expression. If you want to like add a telephone directory, you need to get valid telephone numbers, right?
Right, yeah.
So with regular expression, in a very short way, you can just check this. And for example, if you have like a credit card business, or that you're taking credit card, or you're building a application that takes credit cards, you want to check there are valid credit cards. With regular expression, you can check credit card patterns. So it's very, very interesting and challenging, I would say.
Yeah, it seems like it.
So here,
for me, I'm used to programming websites and stuff like that. So it's a lot different on the back end. Some of the same elements still apply, but it's challenging in that fact because you're creating the back end. So
yeah, you need to think like not visualizing the another
visualization
program, but you need to like think in logic, like what logically this is going to do.
Right.
And sometimes somehow you kind of translate that into a program.
Gotcha.
So here I just define sum _2_n, which takes an array of integers and additional integer. So so here, array integers. Integer. Oh, the integer is n. So
yeah.
I have to name it n. N. So I like to, as I open, I like to close stuff.
Yeah, that's why I'll close it and then type it in between.
Mm-hmm. So let me here as argument, return true is okay. And return true if any two distinct elements in the array of integers sum to n.
Which takes any array of integers and
So
additional integers.
in our previous exercise, we just sum the largest two. In here, we want to check if any of the values that are into the array are the sum is equals n.
Right. So
So here I will say result of false.
No, that's
Default response we want to do, because if it's empty, oh, come on.
well, yeah, because the question mark's already asking the question on the sum to n. So if if yeah, so it would be an if statement, correct?
Yeah, we need an if there. And I need. It's kind of sluggish this sometimes.
Yeah, it started for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Automatic.
Okay. Result equal false, and I need as an argument to this thing. Okay, first thing I need to do is to check the sum of any two elements on that array. So array integers, and I need two distinct elements in the array. I need to sum any of those. So that's I would say is a permutation of elements, because you need to permute or do a permutation of any two elements on that array and sum those.
Okay.
So here should be some permutation or something like that. Permute.
Yeah.
Permutation.
Really lagging. Here, let's see.
Can you watch the Hangout?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I think my. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Yeah. So now I'm on the Hangout.
So I search for this permutation method. Are you looking at it?
Yeah, I'm looking now. Permutation.
So here you have A equals 1, 2, 3, and if you permute, taking 2 as a parameter, it's going to arrange like any different combination of
those numbers.
Of those numbers.
Right.
So that's pretty much what we want to do, right?
Yeah.
Like to get all the permutation of these elements.
Yeah.
Taking 2, right? Like 2 elements, and then equal each of these guys, the sum of 2 and each of these to the integer they're sending.
Yeah, so it'd be .2a.
So we'll do that. Like this array integer dot permutation.
Okay.
Right. And then let me double check. 2a.
Yeah, dot
2a.
Yeah.
Because you know what this 28 means?
Yeah, I don't remember.
They want to transform the result to an array.
That's right, to an array, yeah. A string to an array or anything to an array, right.
Yeah, like an object. I will say an object. When you are not sure what kind of type it is, you'll say it is an object. You can go with that.
Okay.
So cool, we have an array here, right? Like permutation. So now what we have to do is to do our famous each. You can do it just.
And then the brackets, the curly brackets, right?
The bracket. Yeah. Curly brackets, column, and in here we have an array with two elements. We'll call them x and y. Because permutation 2, as you can see here, you can switch very quick to the Hangout.
Yeah.
Permutation 2
right here
is returning an array of arrays.
Yeah.
So you have 2 elements here that you have to name it, and I'm naming x and y.
Yeah.
For each of these arrays that are in here. So x and y, and I want to x. No, I will call x plus y equals n.
Yeah.
I want you to I don't know if it's a comma. Let me just double check this. I'm having doubts in the syntax. Each item block, and on our block, oh, comma. I need to do a comma.
And then parentheses.
Well, the thing is like
Oh, for string, yeah.
Yeah, but inside a block, I want to do the comparison. So I want to just check here something else, like Ruby blocks. Block yield, because I want if these guys are equal, I want to yield to something. So let's see how I could do this. So block statement block put
yield.
Put. Okay, let's see if I can do it here. Equals 9. So if x plus tau, x plus y equals, which is a comparison 10, return true. Let's see if we can do this. And here I want you to return really return result. Come on. Return result. No, actually I don't want to return. I want to if result equals true. I'm not very positive that this if statement is going to work here, but
in the bracket, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the if is good, but this syntax error unexpected T identifier. Expecting
Identifier, T identifier, so to keyword do or.
Okay, let's say return here. Yes. Saved. Okay. Okay, you don't like my
Expecting do.
So here I have to let me just go through. See, I did this exercise and I'm still having doubts about it.
Yeah.
Like here, understand the Ruby blocks. Oh, I see. I see what I was doing wrong. All right, I got it.
Okay.
There is when you need to do like a lot of stuff when you are iterating the array, you cannot use the curly brace syntax. You have to you have to do something different in order to to do different stuff, like have a logic inside the block. So in our example, for each, and then we need to do for each do something.
Yeah.
So for each do these guys without the curly braces.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's get rid of this.
Along
When you need to do a bunch of stuff, you have to go with the do statement. And when you start a do statement, I believe you have to close it with an end statement.
Oh,
Yeah, that's correct.
okay.
So if you can look at the Hangout, I have an example there.
Okay, let me see. Yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
So they do, and they have this block here. And here you can add like a bunch of logic if you need, like if statements or whatever stuff you wanna compare or do inside the iteration. So cool, let's do correct, and I like to end whatever I start. End correct. Okay. And here I want to compare if n equals. No, I don't want.
Wasn't it? Yes. Then it's true.
And the slowness of the editor is kind of really.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's so annoying. So I just want to first add a variable of the sum of those two guys. So I will define sum equals x plus y. And after that, I want to say n, which is our second parameter they're sending, equals the sum return
True.
true. If you open an if statement, you have to end it.
Okay.
So let me just proceed this one. Okay, we have the permutation to each, blah 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 blah. Sum equals result. Well, here actually we are not using result.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, that's done.
So let's get rid of this. And if you can find anything, just say false. Here, false.
Yes. The
I will
lag.
guess this will do it.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. Run. Run, Forrest, run. Yeah, no errors. So I will let you
Works.
just
Cool.
to finish this, to test this. You can write a code to test this.
Okay.
So we need to define an array.
So array.
Variable, array test.
Um,
We can use the one we set on top. So you just need to set a variable n, or you don't even have to do that. You can just send. I don't know. I'm confusing you right now.
yeah. Okay. So the array. All right. Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
Well, yeah. Just set a new array test equals something, and then we're going to pass it as a parameter.
Okay.
Cool.
Periods, not periods.
You get the same slowness when you are editing?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know why. Okay. All right, so array test, and then I need to put the sum to n, right?
Yes. No, you don't need to, on Ruby, that's a new stuff. You don't have to define anything. You just
Okay.
go with it. You can say
Okay.
n equals 91. Because that'll be true. Because 1 plus 90 is 91.
Right. Okay, so then run, and it's good, right? No errors.
Yeah. So far, no, we still didn't have to test it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So
You have to call sum to n,
oh,
pass
yes.
the new array.
To n.
Let me just.
Sorry?
Yeah, I want to turn off the autosave because I think this is bugging us.
Oh, yeah, maybe that's what it is. Sum to n.
And you need a comma and pass a number.
Oh, oops. That's
All
it?
right. Yeah, if you run that, should be false.
And then false, right?
No.
Oh.
Like the result we should get on the terminal should be false.
Oh, okay. I say if you run it, yeah, it should be false. Okay.
Yeah, after you run it.
Something there's an error. Undefined method sum to n for
Oh,
main
you need
object.
the interrogation sign, the question mark.
Ah, yeah.
Question mark, yeah.
There it is. But it doesn't say false.
Oh, it's not doing it. Oh, because we are not putting anything.
Oh, I had false, right? No.
We need to put.
Oh, yeah. That's what I said. You said no the first time.
Puts,
Okay.
correct. Space, I think. I don't know if it's the slowness that I'm. Okay.
Still nothing. Method error. Huh.
I just want to clean this.
Put sum to n question mark.
Oh,
there
I got it.
Yeah, that's good. All right, cool. Good.
So just change the number for one which will work, like 91 or 170. Yeah, save and run.
Not sure.
We should get through.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, try 81.
Okay. False.
It's working.
Yeah, it's working.
So well, yeah, this finish the homework part 1.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You got this code? You want this code?
Yeah.
I mean, you cannot copy and paste, but
Yeah, no, I can't copy and paste
I
it.
can send you on the.
Okay. Cool.
Let's see if I can send it. Here, paste.
To the Hangouts.
Oh, it's not copy and paste?
Yeah, see? Define a method to... See, that's what I'm saying. It only lets you copy the last thing that you copied.
Oh, it's very sneaky.
Yeah, but I downloaded the project, so maybe that'll let me...
Oh, okay. You might check under the project. I mean, I don't think you want to lose this.
Yeah, no.
An hour and a half of work here.
Well, can you... Let's see. Is there any way to export that? No, file. Huh. That's kind of weird. Why doesn't it let you...
Let me see. Let's go by parts. This.
Okay.
Where am I? I can't see the Hangout. Okay, it's here. All right, this is our first.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Oh yeah, you can copy def, sum, blah 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 blah.
End result, yeah. So let me put
That's
that
the first one.
text. Yeah, okay.
our first homework. And then the second one. Yeah, and in the part 2 is going to be really, really hard for you, I will guess.
Thanks, man.
No, I mean, I just want you to like
Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to study it.
to be really like realistic on what you want to do here. Like,
Yeah.
if you want to go forward or you want to stop, or I'm just mark it there so I can split.
So the second part stops after the plus.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Starts at the plus or at, yeah. So the first one is
Yeah, I didn't mark the second one. The
Okay.
beginning of the second one. So I
Okay.
just marked the end of the second one.
Okay. Cool.
You want me to copy again the second
No,
one?
no. It's fine. It's fine. I can figure it out.
Oh, let me do it. It's not
No, because the first one, the second one, I got it. I just split it because the second one, the second one starts where the def sum array is. So it's all good.
Let me do it. Then I got plus here. Yeah, I mean, this is like, do you like video games?
Yeah.
Well, this is like a very challenge. I mean, like learning programming language is like a very hard game, but it's very rewarding at the end of the day. Like, you
Yeah, I
have
can
to
see
put a
that.
lot of effort on it, and then at the end of the day, you really feel like you have a bunch of stuff.
Like
You are
you
going to
conquered the world.
No, you're not going to conquer war, right? You are going to like really have like a really good tools under your belt that you may use in the future.
Yeah.
That's
How
very
long?
rewarding. When you are like in the specific situation and you exactly know what's going on because you did it before
Right.
at some point, and your memory is going to, oh, all right, this is similar from some situation I had before, so I think I know how I can go with this.
Yeah, I know how to do this.
You
Yeah.
want to take a sneak peek of the part 2?
Yeah, sure.
So if you download this, you have the whole homework done for you. Under this, oh, I just blew part 1. It was here somewhere, but
What? Oh,
anyways,
no, go to open recent, maybe. There it is.
I can see it. Like here on this HW is like the original file I was working on. But I can see my
Oh,
homework
okay.
part 1
Oh,
under here.
in the HW folder.
Yeah, the HW is the one. Oh, here. It moved. Okay. Okay, on the HW, I mean, this is the first file I was working on.
Right.
So I will close this one, and I will open. This was the one I just. See, I did it a little bit different.
Okay. It's not. Let me see here.
This is the second one.
Oh, let me go look on Hangouts here. Okay. Yeah.
So the first one was pretty much the same. I added a if statement. I really like the one we did with this. This one is the one we did it, and this one was done before by me.
Right. Okay.
So it's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
second
Little
part,
differences.
yeah, the second part. See, we did this, and I did this like 0, 1. I mean, you can like name the index that you want to take from an array. So I
Okay.
said sorted 0 plus sorted 1 sum blah 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 sum
Else,
equal.
yeah,
Yeah,
array. Nice.
I really like this one better.
Right.
I think it's more
It's cleaner. Yeah.
cleaner. Yeah, it looks neat.
Less steps.
Yeah, and no indexing stuff going on there. This looks way much better. And take 2 is more like explicit.
Yeah, for sure.
Right. And the last one, I use the permutation too. It's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah. Maybe you get
Oh,
extra
but we
credit for
have
that.
one error here. What
Where?
about if we send only one argument?
Oh,
Let's
let me
do
go.
that.
Let me go back to it.
Yeah, we
Where's that homework part 1? Okay. Um.
run.
Oh, I need to open the. Oh, array test 1. Oh, no, I
Yeah,
think
I
it
change
was.
it to
Yeah.
one
Oh, okay, okay, got you. Yeah,
because
because
what this guy is going to do if you are just only sending one parameter, this guy is going to explode because you cannot permute on two.
well, there were 3 there before.
I change it.
Ah, okay,
Yeah, I edited.
got you.
But this guy is running this here.
Yeah, he might go crazy.
Alright, false. And if there is an empty array of elements, should return false. Oh, it's doing it. Oh yes, because
Yeah.
we are returning false anyways.
Yeah, we
If
changed
this
it.
is not doing anything, we're returning false. If there's something found there, okay, it was good at the end of the day. Okay, not bad. Also, it's pretty cool code there.
Yeah, really
The one
cool.
I did like this comparison here to check if the arrays.
We're accurate.
Yeah. And yield here and permute each other. I like this one better too.
Yeah, that one's clean too.
Yeah.
Like he says, beautiful code. He's an advocate of beautiful code. So
yeah, I don't know. These guys are not going to look into your code. They're just going to run a bunch of automatic test.
Yeah, to see if it's
And
right.
see if they get the result they're looking for, and that's it. They're not
Yeah.
going to go through the pain.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's good for you. I mean,
yeah. No, I appreciate it, man. Have
coding-
you already taken your test?
no,
Your
no,
quiz? First
no,
quiz?
no.
Okay.
So part 2, the first one, and you read here, first method.
Define a method. Hello name.
Yeah,
That's
this
pretty
is
simple.
very simple. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the second one,
That looks pretty hard.
look that if statement, like.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And this chunk of code here is regular expressions.
Ah.
Which you should take a look at it, read it really slowly, take your time with it, do simple tests. There is a page that they recommend called Rubular.
Okay, yeah, I heard him talking about that.
Rubular. This is pretty neat. Like for example, if you take this chunk of code, which is all regular expression, and how do you know if it's a regular expression? Because it's between this slash symbol.
Oh, the upside down V.
No, it's not an upside. I mean, this slash
Oh yeah,
is
the
not
backslash
required.
and the forward slash.
But
okay.
the first slash and this slash are telling you this is a regular expression.
Okay.
So here in Rubular, you have this slash here and this slash here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So if you copy your chunk of
Oh,
code,
and you paste it, and they see if it's right or not, huh?
and then we can test here with whatever we want to do, and it's going to tell you the match result this regular expression just found for you. So this regular expression is only finding the vocals, lowercase or uppercase, in any string. So if first,
Oh, nice.
if its number is not, or if it's a lowercase, it's only looking at the first element of the expression.
String. Okay.
And this is why this A is, if we don't do the A, it's going to tell you everything that is going on there. See here, only the highlighted
is what's right. Oh, okay. Cool.
So this is very challenging. I found it a little bit hard.
Yeah, that seems very challenging.
So getting used to this way to compare strings is very tricky. So
Do you find that they move too fast?
yeah, they're pretty
Yeah.
paced. Yeah, the pace
Yeah.
is pretty fast.
Yeah.
And if you are never seen regular expression, I mean, it's really hard for you to get this done.
Yeah.
You need to take like, I don't know, like I will say like 1 day reading on regular expression and doing basic examples, and then you're able to do this.
Right.
But I mean, who got a full day of doing
To just
only
be able to
just
do
this?
that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And just doing that is even boring. I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
Well, and you get distracted so easily too. So.
Well, yeah. And this one, yeah, that thing, this regular expression does the exercise for you, basically.
Okay. Cool. The rubular. That's good.
Yeah, and using the rubular as, I mean, here you can add and delete stuff, and you can modify whatever. I will do that. Like this exercise was wrong because it has this. How you call this cap symbol? Is a.
Oh, yeah,
I
I
don't
don't know. I don't know.
know. Okay,
It's
that little guy is not
yeah,
supposed to be there.
nice.
Expression, but you need to know about regular expression before getting your hands on rubular. And the last one was pretty tricky because you have to do like define if a string is a binary number.
Oh wow.
So a binary numbers are only zeros or one.
Ones, yeah.
Ones and zeros, ones and zeros. So you have to define a regular expression that is going to tell you. What I did here is to tell me what is not. Tell me whatever is not a zero or one, and return false.
Dang.
And if it is a one or zero, do this math here because if it's a binary number, they want to.
So yeah, so it's
They
changing the string to the integer, then the two.
yes, I took from string to integers because I want to know if that binary number is a multiple of 4.
Right.
So this percentage sign and 4 is going to tell me if it's a multiple of 4.
Wow.
And if it's not going to tell me, this is going to return the module, which is the module of the division, I will guess.
Yeah.
And if the module is 0, it's because it's multiple of 4.
Yeah.
And then I return true. If not, I return false. So in this exercise, they mix regular expressions and some math.
Yeah.
On top of that, like the icing of the cake.
That's pretty tough.
So if we're on here, so here this is a binary number, 1100 is returning true, and in this, put starts with consonant. Pedro is the P is uppercase, which is good. If we do it lowercase, no, this is not doing what she returns true. Oh yeah, I just want to return false or true here. Say. So here, through and through. Put start with consonants. No, this is not starting with consonant. What is it not doing it? With a cap symbol here that I messed it up. This was working fine. You're messing with my code. Alright, this is not doing it completely right, so I need to take a look at this. And in this, just hello Luis. That's fine. If this statement is true,
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm not really satisfied with this regular expression. This is not good. So you have to take a look and play with Rubbler to fix it.
Right.
And the last one is easier than the second one, which is just defining a class.
Oh, that's good.
And then you have this method, price string, and you added like 2 decimal symbols there, rounded, and it's going to return
Your books and
like
stuff.
20.00. If you add only 1 here, save, run, you're going to ask 1.00.
Nice. Yeah, that looks more simple. So the second one is the hardest.
Yeah, and that regular expression is kind of annoying.
So I'll do 3 first.
So if I start here with a symbol, false, I will guess. False, yeah, that's good. What I did.
Oh no, because you know why? You're starting with a vowel. That's why it's coming true. Consonant.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just closed my courseware. It's cloud9. Let's see how good you are.
Because the E is the
Oh yeah, start with consonant.
yeah.
And E is not a consonant.
No,
So it's not good.
Yeah, see? I'm not half bad.
Yeah. I mean, this is R. It's true.
R is a consonant. That's fine. Yeah,
Come on, I can tell you what is a consonant and what's not. Yeah, we were right. And here should be very simple, like.
Man, it's really slow, lagging, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this is. I have to kill those guys. Kill.
Die. True.
Sir. True. No! So I want to take this into Rubular. So if I type here HW, okay, everything is going on here. But I want A to, okay, I don't want that. I want to evaluate only this. And if it's different, I want it at the beginning, which is the other N. That is A or N? Oh, you have here a yes.
A key, yeah, key.
A, yeah, you have the key here. Okay. If you start with E, it's false. If number, false. A, that's correct. Okay. I want consonant. So a consonant will be everything different than this.
Yeah.
Or numbers. Any single characters. Any single character range. Okay, there's no match here. So this is going to be null. Oh, come on. A through C. C. This is a consonant. This is not. It's going to, because this, how I do this. Oh, it's not a vowel. Cool. If I add percentage, this is now go to. How I tell if it's a character?
Any single character except a.
Start of the line. Oh, this is start of the line. I don't need start of the line. Oh yes, I do need it. Yeah, I need start of the line. Single string, any digit, any non-digit. So if it's this and any digit, any digit or any non-digit, or these guys, I want to show something. A, no, why not? This. No, it's not working. Any digit, any non-word character, any non-digit, any digit, any single character in the range. I want to do something. I want to Ruby non-greedy expect. Accept. Yeah, it should be the. Oh, is the star symbol? Which is accept. 0 or more. Make dot match new lines. Echoing no white space. All right, I need to work this over.
You got to figure it out.
Yeah, homework 2 is pain in the neck. And I think that in the next part, in the next homework, there is
It's
some
gonna be-
regular expression too.
Yeah, way hard.
And Ruby. Yes. Accept. Any character except a new line. Yeah, this is.
This is tough.
Yeah, any character except that. Any character that M modifiers multi-line, a word character, a non-digit. 0 or more times. 1 or more times. 0 or 1 time. So you can check if one character is 1 or more time there. Here, I don't know why I thought I had it. Like, what's going on with me? Like, let me take these guys here.
Maybe you spent too much time on it. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yes, yeah. Well, now I gotta go. Have to get some rest.
Okay, man. Well, thank you for
Well,
everything. I
yeah,
appreciate it.
man, no worries. I mean, I hope you, I mean, hang in this course and try to complete as much as you can and
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try.
get interested in learning more stuff and programming language. I mean, if you learn one programming language, you're going to do well in any of those. So,
Yeah. What do you suggest would be the best to learn first? I mean, it doesn't really matter, like you said earlier, huh?
well, I will suggest if you do like, I think they recommend to do like one of the prereqs on this course is doing, yes,
Oh,
on
the
the,
Code Academy one? Yeah, I did the Code
yeah,
Academy.
well, that Code Academy, I found it like very
It was
helpful.
hard for me, yeah. The
Yeah,
the second part was hardest for me. I don't know. I mean, I've been watching, like studying other stuff on Ruby, and I'm getting the inclination as to coding, but what I can't decipher is how to, um, like how to make it do what I want it to do. You know what I mean? Like, let's say,
yes, yeah.
that's the hardest part for me. Like learning all the theory and stuff is fine, but then,
Well, yes.
putting it into practice.
I will say like you should go into these challenges because these exercise or homeworks are challenges.
Right.
So try to research on Google as much as you can.
Okay.
Not looking for the answer to the whole thing, but just the part you need to
Right.
get going.
Right.
And then you start building from those parts.
Okay.
So like here, I mean, I don't really know which is the regular expression that it's going to do
Yeah.
here. But I'm just trying to just play with it and using Rubular and try to
Well,
figure out what's going on there. So
you'll get it. Yeah, it's just kind of like trial and error, realistic.
yeah, yeah,
Cool. Well, yeah, man. Again, thanks
yeah,
for all
cool.
your help. I appreciate it, man. I'll add you, and maybe sometime we can chat again.
Sure, sure. Yeah, you can keep in contact. I mean, you can send me emails through like the Google thing. I think you have my user there. Like
Yeah.
you can definitely text me or send me messages.
Okay. Cool.
All right,
Thanks,
man.
Lewis. I
All right,
appreciate it,
man.
man.
Have a good night.
All right, you do the same.
All right. Bye bye.
All right. Bye bye.